Hi everyone, what do you think will be the output of this? This is appending 100,000 numbers into this list. Here's the time before it begins, time difference after. This will display the time that it took to do that. Then it goes down here and does it with NumPy. T2 equals time.time, B equals np.arange of 100,000. NP timer tells the time that's passed since this, then it prints out the timer. Now this calculates how many times as fast the NumPy timer is than the for loop timer. Okay, what do you think the answer will be? Pause the video and put a comment in the descriptions. What do you think the answer will be? Control Enter to run it, and there. For loop was 0.0089 seconds, and the NumPy array was 0.0005 seconds. And that comes out to be 16.8 times as fast. The NumPy array was 16.8 times as fast as the for loop. What if I increase it by another order of magnitude? By 10 times that much. This is put here for clarity to show like 100,000, but I'm going to remove that for now. Okay, now I'm going to put another 0 on it. Instead of 100,000, that's 1 million. Same thing, it's 1,000 thousands. Put another 0 here, so that's 1 million also. If I run it, it completed 33 times as fast as the for loop. So NumPy was way, way faster. So what if I triple the amount? Run it. Now it's 62 times as fast. Appears, at least in this instance, to be way faster than a for loop, creating a container for 3 million numbers. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks.